Hey guys, this is my second video that I'm posting for my video diaries, and we have a few things that we need to catch up on. So if you're on your lunch break like I am right now, this would be a great time to just chill and eat. I went to Chick-fil-A and I got the chicken strips. I've never had their chicken strips before, so I'm really nervous about it, but I think it's gonna be good. I'm not super picky. So I think I told you all in the last video that me and my boyfriend had gotten a dog. Well, I think we're gonna have to give her back. This is good. She's a very sweet girl. I love her to death, and it makes me really sad that we have to. But it's not my decision, it's his, because this was gonna be like his dog, and this was gonna be like his responsibility. But she, I guess, is a little aggressive towards like other dogs and kind like at people, I guess. I don't know like what extent it is with how aggressive she is, but I don't know. He's just worried about like her not fitting in with the apartment or whatever. But it's only been like 2 days. It just makes me sad because I wanted to give her a chance, and I want like y'all to tell me like what you think. But other than that, she doesn't pee in the house, she doesn't poop in the house, she goes to bed when she needs to go to bed, she's very excited to go outside. And I think he also just kind of wants like a smaller dog too, which I get, because like our first option was a Chihuahua, and Bob really liked the other one, like he really liked Bean. That was her name. He really liked Bean because he thought that she was calm. But she's still a playful dog. And honestly, I feel like no matter what age the dog is, like, unless it's like super old or whatever, like it's not gonna be like super calm, you know? He's also never really had like a dog of his own growing up. His family like will kind of get animals and then bring them back, and that's kind of just what it feels like right now. And it makes me really sad because it's like, I don't know, this poor dog, like she just wants love, and she just wants attention, and she just wants to, you know, she just wants a home. And those places are not like homes at all. So it makes me a little sad. But I don't know, hopefully we'll find like another one that he'll like or whatever. But we're gonna talk about it more tonight whenever I get off, just see if he like changes his mind at all. Other than that, today has been so chill, so dead. Nothing's going on. I'm bored as hell out of my mind. But that's been the only thing that I've been thinking about. Was this poor dog that we're gonna have to give back. I'm actually so upset. And she's not even that big. Like, she's 31 pounds. She's a little chunky, so whenever she loses weight, she'll probably be like 25. I don't know, man. I'm like sad and I'm heated at the same time. But it is what it is. It's not my dog. I didn't get her. Fuck. I just dropped a little nugget. But before I end this video, we gotta tell a little fun fact about myself. So I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, I'm 20 years old and I live in Tennessee. I do hair. I kind of wanted to start this channel because sometimes I feel like I'm not that good at hair. And I just started, so I know I'm not gonna be like the greatest, but sometimes I just compare myself a lot to other stylists around in the salon, which isn't good for me, but I just have to remember, like, it's gonna take time to develop this skill to be, you know, like, comfortable and more fluid with my work and everything. And it, just like anything, it always takes practice. So I know that I can't expect myself to be where a level 10 is as a level 1, but it is a little disheartening sometimes, and I do compare myself still, but we're trying not to. So today we're gonna be thankful for my Chick-fil-A, money that I make to buy this Chick-fil-A. I'm thankful for my cat, because at least I still have her. I am thankful for Jesus. My shirt today says, Jesus saves, I spend. I'm thankful to be healthy, for the most part. So, don't forget to be thankful and to look around you and be thankful for everything that we have, because we could be living in so much worse. Yeah. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry if this video is like kind of sad, but like that's kind of like what I'm going through right now, and this stuff is making me sad, and I'm a little heartbroken, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay, because I still have my cat. We still have the cat, so we're good. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.